Let me give you the details, extra information, just for you. My brother who lives in Spain is coming home.
I have one brother, he is not alone.
This car which I bought in May has broken down near the best restaurant in town. Non-defining clauses, commas are key, adding detail for you and me. I have 3 friends, all of whom are smart. She has many hobbies, one of which is art. He asked me questions, none of which I knew. I told him stories, all of which were true. Quantifiers and relative clauses, formal style. Stay with me for a little while. The meeting at which I spoke went very well. The hotel in which we stayed was like a cell. The man to whom I spoke was very kind, leaving the simple grammar behind. My guitar, which I love, is made of wood. Understanding this, smart. She has many hobbies, one of which is art. He asked me questions, none of which I knew. I told him stories, all of which were true. Quantifiers and relative clauses, formal style. Stay with me for a little while. Commas act like brackets, parentheses. Who, which, whom, know that. Some of whom, many of which, most of whom, all true. Which is